And we back with another one. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the KB Show, man. And today we finally got the Audi Rs5 completed. Man, I like how this car sits. I didn't necessarily like the wheels at first until I seen a stock one. But I like how it's lowered and I like how the wheels sit with it. Looks better in person for sure, but let me give you guys an overview of what's going on with this car, what all we did to it. So this car, we did the music in it originally, and the customer wanted different product in there. So we changed out amplifiers, added wires for them. So we have our tweeter wires. We had to pull the pillars down and run all new wires for our tweeters to our amplifiers. Got that paper route plan. Shout out Key Glock, paper route empire, man. But yeah, so we got our tweeter wires ran. We got our 3.5s here. And then we got our 8-inch speakers here, 8-inch mid bass woofers. Then in the back door, we got our small tweets. And then we got our 6.5-inch back there. And then back here in the back seat, we got our big Salt 8 amplifier for our woofers. This thing sounds good. And then back here, we got our 3 K2 Series 12s Focals. Got that Gucci playing now. And we changed out the amplifiers. We went from Mascani amplifiers to, these are the Helix C4 4-channel amplifiers. So we got 3 4-channel amplifiers here, powering all our interior side. We got a new Helix DSP inside here, which, we got our Helix DSP right there. So all new Helix equipment in here. And this thing sounds really good. I like it. It bangs. 312 sealed box, 3 4 channels. And everything is active in this car. My dope. Yes sir, man. I just wanted to give y'all an update video, man, for the channel. Got the Audi Rs5 done, completed, banging. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Would y'all put all this equipment in y'all Audi RS? This thing is quick too, it's fast. Twin turbo V6. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Yes sir, KB Show. We do this, I do this music shit, man. I don't know about y'all, man. I do this music shit, though. Yes, sir. Tap in with the boy.